Knowing your standards, you hired the best persons for the job. He is the best person for the job.
Sino po siya? I would like to meet him.
Attorney Calix J. Martinez. He will be our new head legal counsel.
Hayaan niyo nang malasing si Luna para magkajowa na. Wala lang kasing dumating na isa.
May bago na akong crush. He's a 10, pero ang sungit.
Sorry, what's your name again?
You can call me Luna. KJ Martinez? Bakit KJ?
Short for Calix.
Sobrang haba naman. Can I call you Mike? Isang operation. Hashtag local. Local? Local guys.
Ewan ko na lang kung madededma mo to. Hashtag woke up like this.
I love you, Luna. I love you always. I didn't even know I do.
Kapag pinayak ko si Luna, lagot ka sa akin.
I will not hurt you.
Calix, hindi isa ka dyan. Gusto mo sumamang kita?
Amitis, ano ba? Huwag mo kumawakan.
Wala naman dito yung girlfriend ko eh. Ako yung nandito.
Amitis, ano ba? I have a girlfriend.
Calix, do you still think about our first night together?
Luna, please wait!
You! Cheater! Pinagbuksa mo akong tanga!
This coming August, abangan natin sina Micaela Beltran as Luna at si Justin Obena as Calix.